अभी 1 घंटा टाइम लगेगा। कहाँ थे? A train is moving in the 20 meter per second. A train is moving in the, suppose 20 meter per second. Understood? Train is moving in this, tell me, 20 meter per second. And is 20 kilometer away from the platform. And then how much time? And its length is what? इसकी length कितनी है? 200 meter. Suppose what is the length? What is the length? What is the length? What is the length? And then this is a platform. Platform length is 600. What is the length? What is the length? 100. A train is moving in the 20 meter per second. Its length is 200 meter. It is 20 kilometer away from the platform. Then how much time it will take to cross the platform? अब to cross the platform का मतलब होता है to touch the one end of the platform. Then he will cover the 600 meter. यहाँ से start हुआ. He will cover the 600 meter length of the platform. And thereafter he will अभी cross किया? नहीं किया. Thereafter he will cover its own length. Understood it? समझ में आया? To cross the platform means to cross the platform. To cross the Himalaya means, and आप लोग क्या कर रहे थे? To cross the India. Yes? समझ में आ गया? So what is the length of the platform? 600 and its own length is 200. The total length कितना cross करना पड़ेगा? 800 and divided by 20 meter per second. It will take 40 seconds to cross the platform. So easy. And बच्चे क्या करते हैं? 20 किलोमीटर 600 ये 200 तो छोड़ ही देते हैं. 20 किलोमीटर 20,000 plus 600 2600 divided by yes 20,600 divided by 20 और उसमें वो भी एक आंसर दिया रहता है जो आपने 20,000 हो गया ना आपको 20 किलोमीटर इंटू. समझ में आ रहा है? द क्रॉस का मतलब क्या होता है? यस टेल मी. ओनली क्रॉसिंग दिस. क्लियर? अंडरस्टूड? अच्छा, एक पर्सन को क्रॉस करने में क्या करना पड़ेगा? कुछ याद आ रहा होगा. इफ इज कमिंग टू क्रॉस ए पर्सन स्टैंडिंग ऑन प्लेटफॉर्म, नाउ हियर क्रॉस द वॉल? नहीं, इट हैज टू क्रॉस इट्स ओन लाइन. छोटी छोटी चीजें क्या बना देती हैं पाकिस्तान और इंडिया. सो दैट इज द करेक्ट थिंग आई एम टेलिंग यू. चाइना तो कभी नहीं, वो छोटी छोटी चीजें करता है. नॉर्थ कोरिया छोटी छोटी चीजें करता है. अंडरस्टूड? चाइना तो धमकी देता है इंडिया को. If you are doing this, then you have to see the consequences. और अभी हम लोग SCO के मेंबर बन रहे हैं. बन गए भाई पाकिस्तान के साथ. तो it is similar to NATO. So I said that. So what is the time? कैसे निकालते हैं टाइम? Yes, first हम लोग फर्स्ट करने जा रहे हैं. When two trains are moving. Understood? Two trains are moving. इसका मतलब कि हम लोग क्या कह सकते हैं? और train is crossing platform और ब्रिज. कोई भी चीज को क्रॉस करे. Understood? So the two trains are, suppose I said that the two trains are moving towards each other. How much length they will cross? Its length is 200, its length is 300. Just tell me how much length that he has to travel to cross each other. 200 plus 300. पहले तो ये यहाँ पर आया. Then he covered this 300. Thereafter he covered its own length. Understood? Similarly, like platform, bridge, everyone where he has to cover that its own length and also the length of the bridge, the length of the platform. Understood? Clear? I said that in that case time will be what? Distance. कौन सा होगा? Length of the train plus length of the second train upon, and if they are moving towards each other, V1 plus V2. So write down the first question. क्रॉस करने के लिए क्या होना चाहिए? दोनों ट्रेन को दे हैव टू क्रॉस ईच अदर लेंथ. यदि आप लोग जल्दी करोगे देन वी कैन बी एबल टू डू. दे हैव टू क्रॉस द ईच अदर लेंथ. यस. और यहां पे यदि सेकंड ट्रेन नहीं होगा तो यहां पे क्या होगा? प्लेटफॉर्म. अदर कैन बी एन अ प्लेटफॉर्म और अदर कैन बी एन अ ब्रिज. और उस केस में स्पीड विल बी 0. V2 will be what? 0. And when they are moving in the same direction, then it will be what? So V1 minus V2 हो सकता है. Yes or not? When the two trains are moving in the same direction, then what will be there? V1 minus. तो अभी हम लोग कौन सा कर रहे हैं? V1 plus V2 के लिए. V means speed. अभी तक मैं S बोल रहा था, कोई बात नहीं, S1 S2 ले लो. S1 S2. चले, write down. V means velocity. इंजीनियर सुना तुम लोग? क्या बैकग्राउंड क्या है? बैचलर ऑफ BCA कंप्यूटर एप्लीकेशन. 11th-12th में तो साइंस होगा. अच्छा, उसी समय. चलो राइट डाउन. A train length 200 meter moving with 20 meter per second कहानी किधर समझना. Do not think like I have said that cross का मतलब they will cross each other distances. Yes or not? And what is the relative speed when they are moving towards each other? Added. Understood? Another train length 300 meter. Another train length 300 meter. Moving with 30 meter per second. Moving with 30 meter per second towards each other. Then find out time taken to cross each other. Find out time taken to cross each other. What is the length of the train first? 200. Length of the second train 300. And what are their speed? 500 upon 50. 10 seconds. Write down another question. Simple है यार. Understood it? और यही क्वेश्चन क्या दिया रहता है पता है आपको कैसे लिखा रहता है? Both the trains are 10 kilometer apart, then find out the time taken to cross each other. फिर वो लोग सब वो लोग अब ट्रेन का लेंथ नहीं निकालते, डिस्टेंस को क्रॉस करवाते. स्टूडेंट्स कई तरीके से सोचते हैं, जो जो सोचते हैं वो ऑप्शन रहेगा. बोलते हैं यस मेरा करेक्ट है, और बाहर मार्केट में कभी आंसर करेक्ट भी दे दिया जाए ना तो दे टू थिंक मैं तो सही निकाला इसने गलत ही ऑप्शन दिया हुआ. So therefore they used to keep on wanting themselves till the results. Write down. A train length 20 meter per second. Sorry, a train length 200 meter. Moving with 30 meter per second. in the same direction of the other train whose length is 200 meter and 20 kilometer away, moving with 20 meter per second. Moving with 20 meter per second. Then find out 300 meter. 300. Second train length is 300 meter. Then find out time taken by the first train to cross the second train. दोनों सेम डायरेक्शन में मूव कर रहे हैं. Both are moving in the same direction. So I said that whatever the distance in with them doesn't mean, and thereafter I said, and then one speed is 30, another speed is 20 जो आगे move कर रहा था, and that become, I said that 500 upon 10 cancel out 50 seconds. Understood it? क्योंकि they are moving in the same direction, the relative speed will be what? Minus, subtracted. Next one, platform ले लो या bridge ले लो, both are same question. A train length 300 meter, a train length 300 meter, moving with 30 meter per second, moving with 30 meter per second, then how much time it will take to cross a platform having length 600 meter, having length क्योंकि दूसरे की स्पीड तो है ही नहीं, प्लेटफॉर्म स्पीड डजंट. So the length of the train is what? 300 meter. He will cross its own length. Thereafter that, tell me. Yes, tell me. 600 and then so 900 upon 30 cancel out 30 seconds. Write down the next question. Is it clear? A train length 300 meter, moving with 20 meter per second, how much time it will take to cross a standing person, to cross a standing person on the platform, to cross a standing person on the platform. Just tell me. क्योंकि ये क्रॉस करना है किसको? स्टैंडिंग पोर्शन, तो प्लेटफॉर्म को तो नहीं क्रॉस करना है, तो आप लोग इसकी थोड़ी डिस्टेंस करोगे। समझ में आ गया आप क्रॉस का मतलब क्या होता है? सो क्रॉसिंग दिस पोर्शन ही विल क्रॉस इट्स ओन लेंथ, द ट्रेन विल क्रॉस इट्स। तो इस केस में क्या हो जाएगा, टाइम कैसे निकलेगा? when you are crossing a pole, when you are crossing a standing person or anything, then he will cross its own length. तो ये लेंथ क्या हो गया? 0. Understood? So it will be crossing its own length, and that is a 300 meter. And then there is a portion is standing. It means there is no speed of the standing portion, and the train will cross with its own speed. So 15 seconds. Write down, in this question person will not be standing, he will be moving. इसका मतलब क्या आ जाएगा? Write down. A train length 300 meter, moving with 20 meter per second, moving with 20 meter per second. A boy on the platform moving towards the train with 10 meter per second, towards the train. A boy is moving towards the train, moving towards each other.